Hello traders, welcome to this video on the PET-D indicator for MT4 and MT5. In this video, we'll look at how this indicator plots its signals on the chart, what they imply, and what settings it provides. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. But allow DLL imports, and there we go. The PET-D indicator displays trend following signals on the main price chart using color-coded elements. The acronym PET-D reflects its multi-component calculation approach, which considers price, entry timing, and directional conditions. When bullish conditions are detected, the chart elements display a bullish color or upward signal marker. When bearish conditions dominate, the output shifts to a bearish color or downward marker. This provides traders with a clean, consolidated directional read across any pair and time frame. Let's take a look at what we have at the settings, the inputs. The period sets the look back period for the core calculation. Alert settings enables notifications when a new directional condition is detected. And color settings adjust the colors used for bullish and bearish outputs. As for what this indicator is for, this indicator sees trend traders on MT4 and MT5 who prefer a clean, color-driven directional signal. It is a visual tool only. It does not execute trades. Confirmation from price action context is recommended before acting on signals. The download link is in the description below. Visit the Forex Geek for more free tools. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next one.